Analysis has several ways to bulk create ads. So we're going to look at the three primary ways. So if we go to the Ads tab and we filter down, we could click on the Create Filter, and then we could filter by only ad labels we want to create ads from, campaigns where we want to make these new ads, and so forth. So we filter that down. Now I'm just going to add a filter for our ad type is expanded text ads, and the ads are active. So normally when you're bulk creating ads, you want to only use the same ad type, because taking data from a DSA and trying to make it into an ETA is difficult, since one has a headline, one doesn't. So once we have listed that we have active ads that are ETAs, and maybe we filter down by campaigns and so forth, we can select all of these and go to copy and edit. So what this feature does is it takes the ad we selected and it puts this copy there. Now we can edit the copy, and then we can just push those new changes live, preserving our old ads, and we just create new ones from that copy. So maybe we don't have a headline 3 in a lot of our ads, so we could filter by the ads that aren't having headline 3s. We can create a headline 3, and now we've made a change to the headline 3 for all those ads we made a copy for. If we had maybe brand is pushing out a new brand message, we must use in headline 2, or you have a bunch of ads that are description line 2, you can bulk write descriptions. So what will happen now is we've changed this line, everything else is the same, so then the system will go and find those ads, add the headline 3, and then we have the option to either click copy and edit, which is going to take these ads, make a copy, apply the edit, push them live. The old ads will be still in the account. So we could either pause those, or we could create the new ones and paused and push all that live. So with this tool, we're making copies of specific ads. If we go to ad groups, we can filter. We could filter by, again, our different campaigns, so forth. And then we can select all the ads, click create multiples. Now, in this case, we've selected an ad group, which means there's probably ads in the ad group. So what we can do is we can decide to inherit data from other ads in the ad group. So we could say, all right, we have, this new line to test, and we want to preserve everything else from the ad of the ad with the highest conversion rate. And so what'll happen is we'll look through all the ads, find the one with the highest conversion rate, push out this new line, and then create those. Now you can make multiples here. We could add multiple ads we're creating. We can apply actions such as a label, an ad rule. We could pause the old ads. We can say how we want to pause them, set up multi-ad group tests. So where this can be really useful is if we have a multi-ad group test and we look at one and we say, okay, this is used in 6 ad groups, that's in 5. And sometimes it's once in 40 ad groups, once in 30 ad groups. We can copy the line that is not being used as much, right? It's lower, so we don't have an even test. Go back to our ad groups, you will cancel out, and we're going to add a filter, right, where the headline 2, where our ad text does not contain the headline, this data in the headline 2, and apply that, and again, select the campaign where that is. So with the ad groups, when we're creating ads in bulk, we can create multiples and we can inherit data from existing ads. Now if you have ad groups with no ads in them, or you want to create ad groups, ads, and keywords all in one spot, if we go to campaigns, the campaign builder tool, we can upload a file and create mass ad groups, ads, keywords, etc. from a file. So watch this tutorial. But we'll upload a file, we'll walk through the wizard, and then we'll have the option to define ads and create ads in bulk. So if you are creating ads with no data existing, use the campaign builder tool. if you want to inherit data from multiple ads in the ad group based on certain criteria. Then filter down, select, use the create multiple ads. You can easily create multiple ads inheriting data. If you have ads that exist and you want to copy them and just change a few lines or change some data about them and then push out new ads, you can do that from the Ads tab and select the exact ads to be copied. So with these three methods, there's easy ways within Analysis to bulk create ads based on what you need to make and test within your account.